The risks associated with welding work. Mark has been a welder for many years in a large metal structure construction company. With his unique sense of humor, he likes to say that his job is to play with fire and get paid for it. But behind this joke lies great vigilance. That morning, Mark was getting ready to weld a scaffold part for a client. Before even lighting his torch, he followed his meticulous preparation ritual. He inspected his tools, checked that they were working properly, then put on his protective equipment: insulated gloves, welding mask, hood, heat-resistant leather suit, and spark-proof boots. Mark knows that danger doesn't come only from the flame. He therefore makes sure to secure his surroundings by removing all flammable or explosive materials that could ignite from a single spark. As he begins welding a piece of metal, Mark recalls that welding involves several risks. Burns are frequent and can happen quickly. A flying spark of molten metal or contact with a hot surface can cause serious injuries. The radiation from the arc, invisible yet dazzling, threatens the eyes and can cause burns to the cornea and retina. The fumes and toxic gases released from molten metal are equally dangerous. They can lead to respiratory problems if proper precautions are not taken. It is therefore important to ventilate your workstation properly. Also, ergonomics must not be overlooked either. For example, prolonged work in a forward-leaning posture can cause neck pain. Maintaining good posture is essential to prevent injury. Thanks to his vigilance, Mark completes his task without incident. Welding, despite its impressive appearance, remains a high-risk activity that requires rigor and vigilance. Every action, from wearing protective equipment to organizing the workstation, helps prevent accidents and protect workers' health.